It's my birthday. I am going to celebrate it by dashing out gold tablets to my followers. March is here with us again, and 21st March is approaching quickly. Of course, 21st March is my birthday, and so my birthday is here again. Lots of people are reaching out and asking me exactly what we are doing on my birthday this time round. Are we going to celebrate a big birthday party again? They want to know the location and the dress code and all of that. Yes, we are going to celebrate my birthday this year. We are going to mark it because, of course, it is my birthday. And we are going to celebrate it in a very spectacular way this year. But we are not going to have a party because last year's party was about me. This year, I want to celebrate it with my followers. And so I am going to celebrate it by dashing out gold tablets to my followers. All my social media followers will be put together and we'll select at random 1,000 people. And these 1,000 people are going to get from me gold, precious gold. This gold will come from the gold board. And so it's going to come as a form of investment for you. Real gold, that is an investment for you. I would want you guys who will get this gold from me to keep it for yourself until such a time when the value has multiplied and become very, very valuable to you. You can go back to the gold board, sell it, and use it for whatever you deem fit. So this is how we are going to celebrate my birthday this year. We have up to on the 20th of March, where all those who follow me on all my social media handles will be put in a pool, and 1,000 people will be selected out of this pool and will win for themselves these gold tablets. Yes. So on 21st of March, which is my birthday, we are going to host an event where these 1,000 people will be selected for their gold. Happy birthday in advance to myself.